Hello, in this video we practice some file handling exercises, Python file handling exercises. Means how to read a text from a file, how to write a text to a file, and how to append a text to a file. Okay, these things we will see from a given file. Okay, so first exercise, write a Python program to read an entire text file. Okay, for this I have written some sample text file here. Here new.txt is there. Okay, so we have to read this new.txt file. We have to read this complete text and display it on the terminal here. How we will see with an example. Just to read a file, to read a text from file, first we have to open a function. Okay, open function we have to use it here. A physical open function is there, and the couple of parameters. First parameter is which file you want to read. I want to read this new.txt file. Okay, second parameter is which mode, read mode or write mode or append mode. So I am entering here read mode here. Okay, read mode is nothing but just read from a text file. Okay, write mode writes to a file, and append mode just append text to a file. Okay, so I am reading read mode here. Okay, so it means reading a text from the file and displaying on the terminal here. Okay, so successfully we open a function and store it in the file, and now we have to read the file. Okay, just use read function, read function here, some simple, and print that, read the file and print the in the display terminal. Okay, and close it. Okay, whenever you open a function you have to close whenever you open a file you have to close the file compulsory. Okay, I have got close here, simple. Okay, so we are using opening function. So with two parameters we are storing this in file, and we are reading that file here and printing. Okay, open function compulsory here to read a file or write a file or append a file. Okay, open function here, see file is file description, path, whatever path is there, and mode means open text mode, read or write or append whatever. By default it takes read, I think, read here. Okay, so these are an optional everything. Open file and returns is stream here. Okay, is the type of file is a string here. You can just check the output here once. Okay, so we got the whatever text is there, we are displaying the terminal. So if you want to check the type here, just use type function here, type of x, enter the execute the string here. Okay, this file type is a string here, remember. Okay, so